Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got looking in the building with another super casual watch face. This one is called 23YG. So I like the look and the design is really nice. It's very sharp in detail. It does give you all the information that you can want to need out of a watch face. In the always on mode, you're going to get the same design, same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black and white theme, which isn't a bad look at all. Now, when the watch face is on, what you're going to get up at the top, if you look, you'll see your moon phases. You also get your date, and you also get your month circling that. It'll let you know what month it is also. Here, you're going to get your heart rate, your miles walked around, your step information. Here, you're going to get plenty of shortcuts, all the shortcuts you could ever want. You can make a phone call, text messages, steps, weather, S-Health, also music. So if you want to go into it, just single tap and you can go into any one of those shortcuts to your liking. And here, if I single tap, I can set a favorite there, and I also can set another one there. This is going to be your battery info. You can go into that as well to see how much battery percentage you have left. And if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of the watch face, which looks really nice. You get several colors to choose from. Not only does it change the digital time, it changes the date as well, and your step information. So I'm thinking this is a really good look for the price. Not bad at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all are having an incredible weekend. I want to see you all at the next video. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.